everybody, it's your girl Alexis Sunshine Sprinkles here. My Alexisism of the day is be happy. Happy people are just more beautiful because it's an inside beauty that radiates out that everybody sees. You know, in the past week, I've been approached by so many people that just said, wow, you are so beautiful. And I'm appreciative of that. You know, I am at a good place in my life. I'm happy. I'm healthy. I'm doing the work that I enjoy doing. That's an important part of happiness. I've got great friends. So all those things overshadow all the negative things that may be happening or that may happen. I focus on the positive. I focus on being happy every day. That's all I want. I want to be happy, healthy, and prosperous. When you focus on that, you draw that to you. And you draw people who see that inner light and that inner shine to you. That peace, that harmony. And it's not something you can buy. You can't buy it. You can't fake it. But with that being said, fake it till you make it. If you're not happy, practice being happy. I guess I'm going to say fake it till you make it. Practice being happy. Find the little things in life that make you really happy. And you know what? Soon you will really be internally happy. Practice makes perfect. So, what have we learned today? Be happy. Because happy people are just more beautiful. Love you.